Audio Jungle. This is High-Tech News TV News. The Madras Sanskrit College proudly inaugurated 4 new institutions with its campus. This initiative marked the foundational launch of the Bharati Center for Excellence. Bharati Jnana strategic response to the global demand for holistic wellness, balanced living and dharma-rooted leadership. The 4 new institutions that were inaugurated are Ramaratnam Bharatanatyam Vidyalaya, a primary school dedicated to imparting the education based on Indian values and Indian knowledge systems. Sri Chandra Shekharantra Saraswati Veda Padasala, established in honor of Mahaperiyava. Krishnaswamy Iyer Sastra Varthi, an institution designed to handpick deserving the scholars their knowledge base, developing them into the great scholars of tomorrow. Saiva Agama Department, a new department being launched within the college to uphold the sacred traditions to Saiva Darshana. The college premises in the divine presence and personal appearance of the seventh Pitadipadi, Kanchi Kamakodi Moolamanya Sarvajana Beetam Jatguru Shankara Vijayendra Saraswati Sankaracharya Swamigal. The Madras Sanskrit College. For over a century, the Madras Sanskrit College and Kuppuswamy Sastry Research Institute have been dedicated to the preservation, study and promotion of Sanskrit of Bharati knowledge systems. They have served as crucial institutions for scholarly research and education in a wide range of ancient and disciplines.